All right, so what's going on, crew? So welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be a really short video, I hope, in a way. I'm gonna just do a really quick. Today is Mother's Day, so I don't want to take up a lot of you guys' time, but I do want to give a big shout out to all the mothers out there, you know, all the great mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day. Also to my wife, she's a awesome mother, and awesome two favorite women, my mother Pearl Jones and my mother-in-law Jean Leonard. So happy Mother's Day to you guys, and I hope you guys have had a blessed day so far. So but today, guys, is going to be a quick video. I just also want to remind you to thank you. This is really going to be a video about the 500 subs Friday, Mother's Day weekend. We actually got the 500 subs, guys. I'm so happy about that, and it wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for the crew out there. You guys know that you guys are my crew, just like a pit crew. Everybody needs a crew, guys, to be successful. I want to thank my crew for getting me to this point of 500 subs. So right now I'm at one of my favorite spots, guys. This is where it all started, here at Steele's Creek. If you guys haven't seen the intro, go back and watch the intro of how I started my YouTube channel and what my YouTube channel was going to be about. End of this video, you got to make sure you watch the end of the video. I did say that I was going to do a little giveaway, but it's just a really thank to you guys for subscribing. So I got 5 names picked randomly, and I will put them on my social media account, which is down below. Look at the link down below, and you guys will be able to get a hold of me. But I will let you guys know the names of the 5 people that I randomly pick in the description below. There'll be a link to my Instagram, so you guys can DM me and get a hold of me. But I will let you guys know those 5 names at the end of this video. But today is going to be an awesome video, man. I am doing something different. You guys know I like a lot of different projects, and I like my toys too. I like the little tech things. I like the drones. I give you guys little footage of drone footage sometimes, not too much. I don't want to overkill it. But I actually got a new toy. I haven't basically introduced it to my YouTube channel yet, but you know, I have it for various reasons. Whenever I feel like I want to try to get into shape, you know, I try to use it. And also when I go to these swap meets and stuff like that, I try to ride around, save some energy and stuff. If you guys hear a bell in the back, I'll show you some footage of that soon. It's actually a train at Steele's Creek. They take the kids on this train track and stuff at the park here. And we used to take my son, my mother-in-law and stuff, used to take my son on this train whenever he was, you know, just a youngster. So I'll show you guys. You guys will see that in the footage as well. And as you see, I'm smoking me a good cigar, relaxing over here at the park. I'm gonna try my best not to ramble on, and I'm gonna get straight to this video. All right, guys, so this is my baby, guys. This is my little pride and joy. Let me cut my light off here. So you know, this is gonna be just a quick little review of the Juice Rip Current S. It's actually an electric bike. You know, it's the actual electric bike that I have, and like I said, I want to share this with you guys. This is an awesome little bike, man. I love it. And I'm gonna go over some features and stuff, and I actually put a lot of extra stuff on the bike and stuff, as you guys can see, and I'll go over that as well with you guys. But with this bike, man, I'll tell you what, we have it's a, like I said, it's called a Juice bike. And this bike, I would tell you how much I brought it for and everything, and you guys are going to be surprised how much I paid for this bike here. But it's a Rip Current S. It's a fat tire bike. This bike could go up to, as far as the range, up to 70 miles in range. Now on a flat course, and like I said, I'm a big guy. I'm 200 plus, man, and with me on it, I can get this bike up to 25 miles per hour on a flat road. Going downhill, I can get up to like 33, 34 miles per hour, man. So I can get up and go on this bike. So far as this, the battery pack, this big old battery pack that I showed you guys, it's a 52 volt, 19.2 amp hour battery pack. And this right here give you up to 994 watts an hour of power, man. It's a beast. Far as the Bafang hub, is 750 watts, the Bafang hub motor, as I showed you guys as well, and that'll give you up to 1300 watts of power. So this bike here, man, it's actually just not an electric bike. It's actually have what you call a torque pedal assist. So basically, the more you pedal, the more the shelf life of the battery. As you guys saw, the tire size, man, the tires is a 26 by 4 inch wide Kinder tires. They're pretty beefy, man, and they're all-terrain tires. So I can go right here in the sand, I can go in the gravel, on the grass, and it handles basically the same, man. Also got that big LCD screen advanced display, and it actually has several riding modes from eco to sport mode, which I'm always in sport mode. Only bad thing about sport mode though, it drains your battery a lot faster. And also it has that rear rack, and that's comes with the bike, and it also got the, I call them mud flaps, with their fenders. So everybody probably want to know how much does this baby weigh. So I'll tell you what, it's a pretty heavy bike, and it's basically 75 pounds. Without that big old battery pack, it's 65 pounds. So now I got some pretty cool gadgets on here myself. Now actually it comes with this big light here. This light, it lights up, man, and it's very illuminate. I tell you what, it's really bright. Now I also have what I got. See here, I got this. It's a horn. Whenever you're on a bike or motorcycle, you need a horn, and this thing is very loud. And it got different modes, and I also got a handheld one over here. So if I'm over here coming behind you or coming beside you, I'll go ahead and put that on there, and I got different ones coming up beside you, and I got that there. So it's pretty neat. Or I can use this here. So in this type, when you cut it off, you can probably hear it, and that's a ORP horn that was separate there. So I also brought me a little mirror over here on the side so I can see. I actually got me my locks, whenever I go to the park or I walk away, or when I go to the gym, because I like I said, when I use this bike to get exercise, I go to the gym, so I like to lock her up. I also put my cell phone here, and I got a little count meter on my cell phone, so whenever let me know how many miles I'm doing. And this also lets you know how many the trip miles as well. It'll let you know how many miles you got on there and everything, the distance you rode and stuff like this. And this here is your gauges. It's a 9-speed. I don't know if I said that, but it's a 9-speed transmission, and it'll go up 9 speeds. So that right there is very good. Now this size bike here is a large bike here. Of course, I got my little accessories here. I got my little pump here, and I got my bag that I keep all kinds of stuff in, like my camera gear and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to take this bike on a little ride, man, and I'm just gonna let you guys see how it feels, and I'm gonna take you guys with me, and we're gonna ride around the park here. Like I said, this is gonna be a quick video, but I just want to let you know, what I like to do in my spare time off and stuff, and this is what I do just for a little bit of relaxation, guys. So my son, actually, when he was little, we used to bring my son down here to ride the little train. So just want to show you guys this is pretty neat. Now, like I said, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. We're gonna ride around the park here, man. I haven't rode in a while, so don't you guys be laughing at me. It's just, I'm going 11 miles per hour right now. Going up a slight incline. Hey, how you doing?
Fine, how are you?
Doing great. Got walking trails. It's really nice back here, guys. Really beautiful. we'll go down here and turn around. All right, Chris, so far what you guys think, man? I tell you what, I like my little bike, man. I take this thing with me sometimes on trips. I don't take it as much as I should. It's so much pleasure in just taking a day off work, taking a day off out of the garage, and enjoying yourself. You know, I'm by myself, and I'm just, you know, enjoying the day, just soaking it in. It's a lot of stuff going on in my life, in my family's life. We have a lot of people that's you know, going through things in their personal lives, and sometimes it's good to come out here and just reflect. And you know, you gotta understand, you know, we're going through difficult times just in the world as well. So that's one reason why I like to put out these videos. If I can just make somebody happy, you know, just watching my videos and stuff, I think I'm doing my part. And if we all do our part, everything would be so much better, man. So, hey, if you like more content like this, hey, let me know, man. And you know, we'll go to parks, we'll go different places. Whenever we're not in the garage working, we'll go out and we'll adventure, try to find some things to do. But you know, this video is still a little tech video. Anything with a motor, man, I love it. You know, so that's my bike there, and that's a little setup I have. As you guys see, we're about to ride back to the other side, and we're gonna head back to Bullseye. I got the drone there. You guys seen some footage so far, and I'm not sure if I've taken any more, but hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. All right, guys, let's go ahead and head back. Nice little waterfall. Coming up behind you. How y'all doing today? Good. Let's see if we can jump this here without breaking our necks. I don't know, is this too steep for me? Oh crap. Oh. I almost made it. I almost made it. All right, we didn't kill ourselves. That was fun. I always like to hit that horn when I'm going around curves. I know, man, I know. So everybody give me a hard time. Hello. So that's cheating, yeah it is. But at least I'm getting out, right? This is one thing about this. You know, anything that'll get you out to nature, I'm all for it, man. And I still pedal. I mean, most of the time I am pedaling. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I'm constantly pedaling. Get hit. All right. So we made it back to the ride, guys. Awesome. Hey, man.
What's up, man?
Yes, sir. All right, I met a friend, Addis. He's gonna test out the old juice bike, guys. Go ahead and give her a stroll to Addis. Be careful now. She got some power. Give her some gas. Hope you don't wreck. What'd you think, Addis? Did you try to do the gas?
Yeah, dude, that thing's amazing.
Yeah, it's fun.
I didn't realize that actually when you pedaled, it gave you gas as well.
Exactly. It gives you more boost, and it saves the battery as well.
Yeah, that's pretty dope.
All right, crew. So, hey, man, I'm finished riding a bike. I got Bullseye back in the background. We've been chilling, cruising the whole park and everything. So this is gonna be the end of the video, but I know you guys are really curious about the 5 names that I actually draw. And it's just a random drawing, guys, and you better get the names in the description. I will tell you the names. I don't know how YouTube is about like drawings. That's why I don't do drawings on YouTube, but I will tell you guys the name. And the most important thing is, I know you guys are wondering how much did I pay for that juice bike. So as you see, I'm sitting by my favorite place, man, at the waterside down here, just doing a recap before we end this video. Really nice area down here, man. So anyway, guys, the 5 names, the first one is a Harry Jr. That's all I know. That's what, I guess that's their hashtag whenever they subscribe to my channel. So Harry Jr., Laura Hilliard, Howard Benoit, Daryl Ryder, and a Tony Cox. Those are the 5 crew members. I call them crew. You guys can call them subscribers. And basically what we'll be giving some merch out. So these are the custom ball caps. I got a red and a black like this here. So whenever you DM me, and I'll leave my Instagram post them down below. That's how you guys can get in contact with me. Just DM me, give me your address, make sure you know your name, your address, and then I would definitely ship it out to you as soon as I get that information. It won't cost you guys anything. Just say that's just for helping me get to 500 subs, guys. So that's a big accomplishment for me, and I really appreciate all the support. And later on in the future, guys, we'll be doing a lot more drawings and stuff. But like I said, my next big thing is going to be 1,000 subs, guys. That's going to be our next goal, is try to get 1,000 subs. I know we can do it. I'm not in a rush. This is fun, man. I'm having a great time making these videos and stuff. So the last thing is, how much did that juice bike cost? Okay, well, I'm telling you right now, man, it was a pretty expensive bike. So the bike was almost $3,000. The sticker price is actually $26.99. So if you guys looking for something, a little toy to play around with, try to get in shape, at least get outdoors. And that's why I got to get outdoors, try to get in shape, man. So anything with a motor, I'm down for it, guys. I just wanted to show you my little toy. And hey, this is gonna be the end of this video. And like I said, it's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day again to all you guys out there, all you mothers out there. And I may have some mothers that watch this video. So anyway, check out the link below, guys. I will get that stuff to you. Make sure you hit me on Instagram. So like I tell everybody, man, and you know I'm already smoking a good cigar. So if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck like Bullseye, like I always tell people, man, smoke them if you got them. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.